nowhere near a blizzard.
Not even close.
No.
Best we can do this year.
Right. We decided we want to do a video for you guys out in the snow because that's what the Millers do, right?
That's right. And I want to play harmonica, but I'm going to precursor with it's freezing up on me, so it may sound terrible. But I'm okay with that.
So if it freezes, consider it all natural out in the world, right?
What song should we play?
Let's do Blackbird Bluebird.
All right.
All right. Hope you guys enjoy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blackbird said to the bluebird, I got more color for you. So let's take a hop and let's fly uptown. We're going up, 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 and we're never coming down. Now the June bug and the pretty moth, they were dancing around the light bulb. We said I'm buzzing. I'm buzzing for you. I wanna buzz, I wanna buzz, I wanna buzz all night with you. You take care of you, and I'll do what I do. Take it, frozen harmonica. Kitty cat across the street sleeping on the floor. Mad, he said, I'm fetching some of that. Grab your ball of yarn and come and sit here on my lap. You take care of you, and I'll do what I do. All right, one more time. Clyde the horse with Donna the woman. If he thinks that she's a pretty mama, that's his call, man. Detail. When you're riding to the sunset, you don't want to ride alone. When you're riding to the sunset, you don't want to ride alone. And you take care of you, and I'll do what I do. All right. Not frozen there. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed. This might be the only chance we get to do a blizzard vid for you.
Snow vid.
Right. All the best, guys.
Take care.